research. Okay. I want to use this opportunity to welcome all of you. Those of you who know me already, you know me. Okay, I'm Dr. Sari. I'm in the business school here. I'll be taking you through advanced quantitative research methods. I've already said on my YouTube channel, bearing my name with the Kweku change to K, Dr. K Ohinesari. When you go to that YouTube channel, you have my slides there, the details, the intricacies. Having said that, I'll be altering the slides by the teaching here so that you can get 2 slides and select which one you are good at. So officially, you are welcome. My research interest, and please, I'm saying this research interest to just tell those of you who want to publish quickly in your first year. I need some of you to help me. I have a lot of research topics, about 29 research topics. I need PhD, students to work with me. So by your 1 year, we would have published some work. Some of them are even done already, okay? But it is in the area of efficiency and productivity measurements. We use DEA, data envelopment analysis, which is a linear programming method. It is generally applied quantitative work. So if your quantitative is good, if your mathematical analysis is good, not mathematical like integration and all of that, but this is a bit of applied maths. Okay, it is quite relaxed. The policies emanating from the applications are what is important than just the mathematical jargons. Having said that, it is mathematically interesting. If you want to publish some papers in your first year, I would love to work with you to be able to do that. I need committed people that tell you, write this, look at this, and then I'll be doing this, and I will quickly get some of the papers out because they are getting choked on me, and I just need to release some of these topics out. I apply it in the area of energy, financial institutions, education, health, agriculture, sports. Okay, these are my application areas. But my theoretical methodological development, where I model the behavior of these organizations, that one, it is under, like I said, linear programming. But application is in these specific fields. If you are interested, please let's do this. Okay, please let's do it. I need a lot of hands on the work. All right, so I teach these courses in the school. I'm also in Warwick University in the UK and Stellenbosch University in South Africa. But here, these are the subjects that I teach the most. All right. If your phones are worrying you, and they will worry you, please use that. My suggestion is that attend this course with your laptop, not with your phones. Okay? Because you're doing a lot of work on your laptop. So you connect your Zoom with your laptop, and then you'll be seeing yourself and be working at the same time on that laptop, which is what I'm doing as well. Please know that this course is quantitative. It's hard, I won't lie to you, but it's doable because of the way we will do a lot of applications. And then we got the times that we do. I'll be doing surgical operations. So if you need some things, talk to your supervisors many of the times. If you don't have supervisors now, that is even more reason why you want to sharpen your research skills, okay, by working with some of us who want people like you. And like I said, the people that might be able to work well with me are those in finance, in accounting, in operations, those with statistics and mathematics background, insurance background, yeah. Or those without those backgrounds, but at the same time, they love, applying mathematical things. All right, so the assessment will include participations. Okay. So as you answer questions here, I'll be giving you marks. I'll give you assignments. I'll give you 10 papers. I'll let you do presentations, and I'll let you write a final paper. Okay. So I do a lot of interaction. So please, when I ask the question, be willing to answer because I'll be documenting everybody's marks. Okay. The TAs do that for me. I'll be giving 1 mark, 2 mark, 1 mark, 2 mark. There are some people, they never talk in the class. They never talk. They tell you that my life is not about talking to people to prove my academic intelligence. Okay? But please, you have to talk because knowledge transfer is the most powerful knowledge that a person can actually have. And I'll give you the marks. Okay? Sometimes at the end of the semester, somebody has 0 and another person has 21 marks, okay, for just talking in class, even exceeding the maximum of 10. So it just shows you that you can communicate a lot. I just want to take you quickly through how you do a research. Okay, the details will happen, in your department, but this is how you got to go through research. If you are struggling with a question, you got to look into these general areas and you get a topic. Google Scholar should be your main area to get research works. Read generally about the area. Search through the journals. The online services will make it easier for you. You are looking for a topic. But then you hone on the topic, you zoom into the topic, you become specific in the topic. Read a lot about the literature, read the abstracts of the papers, and then you start thinking about related topics. But for somebody like me, if I get somebody I'm supervising, I give you the topic. It's not everybody who does that, because I have a lot of topics in my basket. So I will give it to you. So I save you about 30% of the work you wanted to do, okay? Because I've done all of the literature review and everything, and I know this is a gap that you can fill and add to the body of knowledge. If you get some people that can do that for you, congratulations. But that is not to say that you'll not do the rest of the work. You still have to do the rest of the work. When there is a need to collect data, you decide on the appropriate data set. Okay? You choose the panel or cross-sectional data set you are dealing with. Then the next step in your research is to enter the data into softwares, clean the data, do methodological analysis, and then you write your empirical paper out of all that. Your paper should look like this. Your thesis should be about 3 papers. Okay? So your thesis should be like about 3 papers, but more or less interconnected. Interconnected, okay, with each other. That is how the thesis might look like. But eventually, when the thesis is done and you want to pull out the papers from it, you should have like 3 papers emanating from the thesis. And it starts with your introduction, your theoretical framework, your review, your methodology, data, findings, discussions, recommendations, conclusions, and all of that. That is how your structure would generally be. You will change slightly depending on the area of specialization. So that is it. For now, what I'm going to do, to be honest, I don't want to do this one today. I want to do this one next time, okay, where I walk you through the basics of data types. Okay, I'll be walking you through the next time we meet on Monday. I'll be walking you through the basics of data types. That is going to help you to be able to know what data you should collect if you're a quantitative person. Everybody in marketing is going to benefit from it. Everybody in HR, public administration, accounting, finance, okay, most of the operations, MIS, all of that, everybody, that's why this is a core course, will benefit from the topic that will be done here. Because some way, somehow, you'll be meeting a quantitative environment in the work that you are doing. So, ladies and gentlemen, today is just a way to welcome you all to the valley of the shadows of advanced quantitative research, work. You're welcome. You're welcome. It's going to be an exciting journey. I'm telling you, the PhD is a lovely one.